Mom, can Stella dance with me?
Stella, cut it out. Dance. It's a video. You okay? You okay? Bella.
Aww. Mom, guess what? Her smiled at me.
She smiled at you?
Yes. Oh, do you have that?
What's wrong? Oh yeah. And then what happened?
Thank you.
You don't have to talk about it if you don't want to.
So for your first course today, we have Forest Organic Pineapple Spray.
Oh, that's so sad. Oh no, really?
600 milligrams. I'm gay, Miss Allison. I'm gay, and she hates me for it.
So she tried to blackmail you into being straight?
Anything in your life that doesn't serve you.
I've seen all of your posts.